Hey guys, so in my last video, I said I was going to be doing a video with this. Read it. Silly putty. So yeah, if you don't know what I'm even talking about and don't know why I'm doing this, then stop this video, open a new tab, and go watch my other video. So, let's get started. So here's a putty. Oh no. The cap almost pressed the end button. Here it is. And it doesn't come out of the freaking egg, sadly. But it says magic putty. Play with it all you want on like the packaging. But you can squish it while it's inside. So that's kind of cool. But I love it. And like it could come out. See, look. Proof. Both sides are out. And yeah, this is it. It's exactly like Crazy Aaron's thinking putty. I have no clue why, but it feels exactly like it. So yeah, I wanted to collect a lot of it and add it all together. But this whole video is basically just going to be me with this. And I was talking to Jay Plays, also known as Judah. Yeah, but he's not messaging me back. Well, said I was going to make a video, but he can still message me, but his thing is not coming up. So yeah, usually if someone messages me while I'm videotaping, it'll come up right here. Oh, ooh, whoops. If you want to see the... Whoa. All of a sudden it just got really dark. Guys. Whoa. What the heck? What? Do you guys see this? Literally. Something's wrong with my camera. Guys, I'm scared. But yeah, this is the putty. And I want to leave this video here because I'm scared. My camera. Is it gonna work? What the heck? See how it gets so dark? So I'm closing the putty. What I was trying to do is, this is the time. It is 6. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe on this video. I'll see all you guys in the next one. Bye! Putty, putty, putty.